Hello and welcome to another video. Here we have a Gamemax power supply of 700 watts and we will unbox it to see what does it has inside. Is it a modular? Probably not, but let's see what type of cables it has and also the fan. Okay, let's check it out. I like that it has a handle over here, really cool. You can pause the video and check up some specs over here. So here it is, very nicely packed actually. Yep, like normal. Interesting. This is very interesting actually. It has some zip ties with, of course, the screws. Wow, really nicely packed. Actually, you cannot, if you press it as much as, barely touch the power supply. So it means it can resist a lot of shocks while traveling. It's very interesting, very nice. Nice blank fan, really cool, with Gamemax logo inside. Oh, is it this one for, what is this, Echo? Interesting. Never saw this one before actually. So apparently it is a smart power supply, or maybe you switch here, not sure. We need to check the specs. Very nice. So yeah, cool. It has the PSU, the CPU, and what is this one for? Okay, so this is the 6+1 pin for the GPU. Very interesting. It has two of them actually, no? Huh? No, it's only one. Yeah, it's only one because if you see here. Oh, I like this zip tie. Cool. Gamemax. Alright, so it's only one, but you can put it for two GPUs. Or if you have a GPU that it needs two pin connectors, like the high-end GPUs. So let's see. This is for the motherboard. It's 20 plus 4 connectors. What else does it has? Let's see how many SATA. So one cable, it has Molex cable and Molex plus SATA. So this cable has only SATA connectors, and this cable has two SATA connectors plus one Molex, and this has only two Molex connectors. All right, very nice, really cool. I'm really intrigued. What is this button for? Let me check it out. Oh, so it has this power supply manual which it says that has a speed guard, eco mode, and advanced fan speed control for optimal cooling and minimum noise. Very interesting. Okay, so let's see what does it support over here. So our model is VP700. So the total power is 700 watts and the peak power is 750 watts. Cool. This is how it looks like. What is this noise level? It's maximum 20 decibels. So it has all the cables. It shows how many does it has, how many connectors does it has. And here how to connect it to the motherboard. Very nice for them that they show this small detail for you. What else does it has? I think that's it. Alright, so this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.